A good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 25th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku. We have here 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the 3 star Sudoku number 7870. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has not 25 but 28 printed digits, 3 more than usual. Usual it has 25. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, but it has 28 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars puzzle I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars puzzle or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me see the 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 1, 1, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. And now, Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 8. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4. Need a 1 here or there. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. Let me see. Come on. 9. 7. 7. 8. Come on. It's taking too long. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. 8, 7, 4. Well. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 and 8 in the middle column, so no 7 and 8 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. Yeah, 7 and 8. So we have a 7 and 8 in this row, 7 and 8 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, the only two places left 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only two places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only two places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. And now, I cannot continue with 8. I need to wait. I need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. That means in this row we need a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. And here can be 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left with a 7 in this row should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only three places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the first column, so no 8 there. And 1 in the second column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1. 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have 1 and a 3 in the last column, so no 1 and 3 in these two boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes at there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 it should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 and 7, 8. 9 is missing, 5 and 9. 5 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Same numbers for those boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 5. Oh, not true. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Well. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Then. Well. We have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Well. Here also 5 and the 6. Okay, so 1 number left here. Need the 1, 2, need a 3 here. 3, yeah, need a 3 here. Okay. How about 8, 9. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need a 3 here. How about here? 5, 6 and the 3 also. 5, 6 and the 3. Yeah. 2, 6, 5. Come on. How about these 3 missing numbers? We have 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 6 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is for number 2. Alright, and now 6 and the 5, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 or 5 here, need to wait. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here, 6 and the 5 also. Okay. 6 and the 5. 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Mark these 2 boxes with the 6 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. And we solve again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.